All right, my beautiful people, glad to have you guys back. So very quickly, 2 websites where you can get remote jobs. Okay, so these are 2 websites where you can work remotely from the comfort of your home, guys. So if you can't get visa sponsorship jobs, so you have to travel abroad and work and begin to earn in dollars, euros, and pounds, you can at least start from this point. You can make money for yourself and gather and save this money for your traveling. So this is the first website I'm going to be talking about here. Is we work remotely. Okay, this website, as you can see, when you come in here, you can see categories: community, job seekers, employers. So I'm going to be showing you guys you can at least start from somewhere. Okay, I want you guys to be better. I want you guys to improve on yourselves or to get something. I don't just want you to come here, watch videos and then go back. It's going to be a waste of time when you watch videos and then you don't take any action. Okay, please, after watching this video, go and start something. So you can see here, look at all the jobs they have here: senior smart contract, web expert. So if these guys are not giving remote, remember this is remote. Okay, so at least I'm just trying to tell you guys to start somewhere. Look at this now. It says full-time anywhere in the world, which means whatever place you're watching me from, you can get this job. That's if you are good. So if you are not good, guys, it shows maybe your skills are not good enough. So you can take courses from Coursera, Google, YouTube, and the rest of them. There are several websites where you can get certifications online. But if you have certificates already or you are good, so you can check out this website, guys. Just go and look at it. You can see, look at this one now, full stack developer. Okay, you can see Europe only. So if you're in Europe, you can apply. If you're in Africa, you can apply for this. But look at this now, junior software engineer anywhere in the world. So if these guys are not, employing people from anywhere in the world or giving you remote jobs, they won't put anywhere in the world. Okay. So you can look at it. Whichever one you're interested in, just go through this website, guys. So before I bring videos your way, I used to tell you guys I do research a lot. So I don't just watch a video or get an information then just come and no, I make sure I do my research. Okay, so you can see this one, work from home customer service, USA only. So if you're watching me from USA, you can check this out. Look at this one, technical support, Europe only, member support, documentation specialist, anywhere in the world. So if you're watching me from Nigeria, Ghana, or whatever place you're watching me from, you can check out this website. Please, if you watch this video, go and just go to the website at least first. Okay, just go to the website and then check them out. So you can see categories. What I love there, we work remotely, is because you can also filter by category. You can see a programming, design. So let's look at design. Let's see what they have in design. Okay, design jobs, latest post 9 days ago. So you guys, these jobs, some of them are posted recently. You can see here 9 days ago in June. Okay, technical apparel designer, part-time product designer. So if you're a UI UX designer, you're a graphic designer, you can check this out. Okay, so you can see a senior UX designer. I think I even try this out. Maybe I should try this out because I also do some little designs. Okay, so you can see, guys, try this out. Graphic designer anywhere in the world. Anyway, some people are getting these jobs. So I used to tell you guys, people getting these jobs, they don't have 2 heads now. Guys, my subscribers, please, just go and check this out, because you can get this job and then you make money. You remember these jobs, they pay in dollars, okay? So you can make money and you can start saving up for your travel plans, okay? So that's the first website I'm going to be showing you guys. So before we go to the second website, guys, I want to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers, all my fans, those who have been watching me. We hit 5,000 subscribers recently. So thank you, guys. I'm this kind of person that appreciates every little subscriber that joins me here. So thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for learning. Thank you for taking out your time to improve yourself. That's the most important thing. So thank you for 5,000 subscribers. So remember, if you're watching me for the first time or you've been on this channel, you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, because you might get information here that might change. You might just stumble upon an information that will just change your story. And when I get to 10 subscribers, guys, these are for my subscribers now. When I get to 10,000 subscribers, I want to start doing cash giveaway. Okay, so we are still growing. So when we get to 10,000, I want to start doing some giveaway just to help people. A lot of people are going through stuff. Yes, I understand, especially in Nigeria and some African countries. So people are going through a lot, and I understand, trust me. But it's actually everywhere in the world. Though. Don't think because you are going through stuff, other people are living fine. No, a lot of people are going through challenges. So I want to start doing some kind of financial giveaway. So if it's something that interests you, just subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell, because you might get some, you might just be lucky. Okay, so let's look at the second website very quick. All right guys, so the second website we are looking at is Glassdoor. Glassdoor is one of the most recognized platform where you can get remote jobs. Please, I want you to pay attention to this one very quickly. I'm going to be showing you how you can filter for jobs. Okay, so you can see here, right here, you see this is community, but you can just look here, look up here, you can see community. I don't know if you can see my mouse, guys. Jobs, company, salary. So just go to jobs. So even with Glassdoor, you can calculate salary rate, you can calculate how much you can earn in a year, but we are not talking about that right now. So you can see jobs. So remember, in Glassdoor, you need to create a profile, you need to sign in, okay, with your maybe Gmail account before you can access something like that. So if you look at my screen right now, you are seeing most of the jobs you are seeing is graphic designer, and also that is because when I was signing up, I use graphic designer in my profile. Okay, so whatever field you are good at, or whatever job you can do, you can put them when you are signing up. Okay, and all of that. So that's why you're seeing graphic designer, you are seeing all this. Okay, so but this is what I want you to do. Just filter for the job you want to do. Let's say, for example, I click on designer. So and I put my location. Okay, I want to work for somebody in the UK. You can see right now. So you can see we have social media designer, remote. So we have 2015 designer jobs in the United Kingdom currently. So guys, I tell you, if you don't get the job here, it means you are not good enough. It means your skills, because if you upload your CV and everything, why would they reach out to you? Okay, so look at this now. Okay, let me look at this graphic designer remote. You can see all these jobs are remote. Anyone you see remote, just know it is remote. So as long as it's remote, they will employ it anywhere. You are not, they don't. Remote means you can be in your room and be working, so they don't need your location. Unlike we work remotely that specifies whether Europe or all over the world or USA only. But this one, I'm sure is general. So you can see here, just click on remote only. Look at this now. Please, are you seeing my screen? Look at remote only. You can click on remote only, and then you can see all these jobs are remote. Just check out anyone. Look at easy apply. You click on easy apply. And then you reach out to them, you send your CV, if they're okay with what they see, they will give you the job. If they are not okay, you move on to the next one and you keep on trying. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try sales. Let's see sales. Let's just click sales. Let's say sales representative. So you can see, so there are so many jobs. All you need to do is just search. Just search whatever you can do. This is sales. Let me see, let me look on now, content. Let me see, content writer. This one is very popular. A lot of people are doing this. Content writer. Just click on remote only. You see, AI content writer, editor, vocal rights. So for example, okay, let's look for one to apply for. Okay, let me click on this right now. As you can see, content writer. Okay, you can read about them, the role, everything, and you can see. Then let's just click on easy apply. Let's see for ourselves right now. So you see, first name, put your first name, your last name, then your phone number, email, then continue. Okay. So I'm not going to be doing all this because I don't want to apply for this role. So I just want to show you something. If these guys are not taking, if they are not employing people remotely all over the world, they won't put this here. So you can see all the countries here to tell you that. You see, Nigeria and any other country that you are, whatever you're watching from, it should be here, okay? So you hear that they are giving anybody remote job all over the world, not just US or any other place. Alright, so if I were you, I will check it out. Guys, please, I don't want this video to be too long. So that's that about that. So these are the two websites where you can get remote jobs, guys. So please, guys, just like I said, please, my aim of creating this channel is because I want people to be better. The world is full of suffering, but other people are still making it, and a lot of people are also living good lives. So you can also be one of them if you're ready to take the bull by the horn, if you're ready to take steps. Okay, so when you watch this now, please just go to the website. Even if you will not, just go and see for yourself and okay, fine, and check and try out something. All right, guys. So thank you very much. If you know this video interests you and you learned something, okay, fine, today you saw a website where you can apply for jobs, please don't go without liking the video. Just give the video a thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel, and God bless you as you do this, and we see you guys on the next one. Bye.